We are evaluating options for our manufacturing change by incorporating integrated rate shipping costs into distribution planning. Which product we need? A. Dynamics 365 Sales. B. Dynamics 365 Commerce. C. Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. C. Dynamics 365 Field Service. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management is specifically designed to handle the entire supply chain, including logistics, distribution, and shipping. It provides features related to integrated rate shipping, which allow companies to automatically calculate shipping costs based on real-time factors, such as fuel prices. This directly addresses the company's goal of optimizing shipping costs through a dynamic pricing model, making it the most suitable choice among the options provided. We are exploring the capabilities in Dynamics 365 Human Resources to manage employee leaves and absences. Leave requests for paid time off must be approved either by a manager, by a human resources representative, or automatically based on specific rules. After create a workflow of type leave and absence request, we should assign the workflow to A. Leave and absence plan. B. Leave and absence type. C. Leave balance. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. To configure employee leave requests in Dynamics 365 Human Resources, you should create a workflow, assign workflow to employee, and assign workflows or forms. You can define a role that includes the required competencies for a resource. Correct. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, you can define a role that includes resource-specific competencies by using RTO roles to set definitions at higher levels. Using Dynamics 365 Finance, CloudWare can create a payment proposal to select a set of invoices to pay for a payment batch. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, it is correct. In Dynamics 365 Project Operations, CloudWare can invoice one or more projects at the same time by using a project contract. Is it true? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, it is correct. We are implementing expense management capabilities in Dynamics 365 Finance. We can configure the system to allow employees to create and manage expense reports on behalf of another employees. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, it is correct. We can use Dynamic 365 Supply Chain Management to manage customer order issues through social channels. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. No, it is incorrect. We use Dynamics 365 human resources. We should ensure that workers can document their own performance relative to goals. What should we direct the team? A. Compensation management page. B. Personnel management page. C. Performance goals page. G. Employee self-service workspace. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. The performance goals page is where each employee can set personal goals aligned with organizational objectives. This section allows individuals to document their performance against these goals, compare against company targets, and track improvements where it's needing attention. It directly addresses the need for tracking individual worker performance relative to goals, making it the appropriate choice. We can manage cost accounting by using Dynamic 365 supply chain management. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. No, it is incorrect. We are a chemical distribution company, have implemented Dynamics 365 supply chain management as part of our operations. As part of our decisions influenced by market demand, a product was dispatched from warehouse to warehouse, be based on customer orders, which increased inventory level. The worker updated an inventory account and recorded 2 new transactions. Which type of inventory journal did the worker use? A. Counting. B. Fact counting. C. Inventory adjustment. G. Transfer. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. In Dynamics 365, when inventory moves from one warehouse to another, this action is recorded in the transfer journal. This journal is used to move goods between work in process and finished goods accounts or any appropriate inventory accounts, facilitating the transfer process within the supply chain management. Not forget to like and subscribe.